What is the ruling on being 45 degrees off from the Qibla? What is the Qibla? The Qibla is the direction of the Kaaba. And what is the Kaaba? It's the black structure found in Mecca in the sacred Masjid Al-Haram, in Masjid Al-Haram, where all Muslims, when they pray 5 times a day, they face. Whether they're in China, in the US, in Europe, in the Middle East, no matter where they are, it's an obligation, it's one of the conditions for accepting their prayers that they face the direction of the Qibla. And it's a sign of unity. And the Muslims don't worship, of course, this structure because it's made of stones. And we rise and climb on top of it and walk all over it with our feet without any problem. But it is a symbolic structure that was originally built by Adam, peace be upon him, and then renovated and rebuilt again by Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him as well. And it's been there since the beginning of time. And even when we bury our dead, if you go to Muslim cemeteries, you will find that the corpse of a Muslim deceased is laid in the grave, lying on its right side, facing the direction of the Qibla. So it is our Qibla to be directed to when we are alive and also after our death. So the question again, is it okay to be diverted 45 degrees off from the Qibla? This is an issue that was answered by the Prophet ﷺ. As you know, Medina is up north of Mecca. So when the people of Medina want to pray, they're obliged to face the south. This is where Mecca is. So they asked the Prophet ﷺ once about this diversion in direction. And the Prophet said ﷺ, what's between the east and the west is Qibla. So now we're talking about this variation. The Prophet says it's a Qibla. So as long as you are, if your Qibla is to your south, as in the case of the people of Medina, if you're facing east or west or north, your prayer is invalid. But if you're facing the direction, though there's a small, negligible diversion, that would be accepted. And the scholars say, if you are inside of the masjid, inside of Al-Haram, the sanctuary, and you can see the Qibla, you can see the Kaaba, you must be in its direction face to face. So if the Qibla is there and you go a little bit to the left or the right, your prayer is invalid because you can see it. So no matter where you are in the masjid, you have to be in the same exact direction of the Qibla. And if you're in Mecca, but not inside the masjid itself, so the whole masjid is your Qibla. And if you're outside of Mecca city, now the circle is way bigger, so the deviation is possible. Scholars say that the direction is what you have to be facing, not the exact masjid, because it's almost impossible to know exactly where it is. So the direction with little deviation would be permissible to pray in that direction. And scholars say below 45 degrees, so 45 is like this, below that it is acceptable. If it goes a little bit further, then that would not be between the acceptable parameters, and hence you should avoid this. And of course, it goes without saying that you have to try your level best to face the direction, the correct direction of the Qibla to the best of your ability.